Alright, sweet, you're finally here. Alright.
Darius.
Take this tripod, put that in the car. I'm gonna go grab the light and the monitor. Don't talk while I'm talking. We have to be at the park by 6:30. It's like 6:10 right
Darius.
now. What?
I'm moving.
Yes, we're about to move to go to this shoot.
No, like I'm moving. Moving. To Florida.
You're funny, man. Don't do that right now. I told you we're a little stretched for time.
Darius.
Like,
I'm
what?
serious.
So, you're actually...
I'm actually leaving.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
Radiant.
And who can say if
Radiant.
love grows
Radius.
as your heart shows, only time.
Darius.
Logan, are you out of your mind? You don't ever slap a black man mid-daydream ever in your life. Like, if we were in my old neighborhood, I would have to shoot you just based off of principle alone.
Darius, are you done? Or are you finished?
What? When do you leave?
What's today?
Like the 6th.
Oh, okay, so 2 weeks.
So you're literally giving me 2 weeks to finish all the videos that we had planned.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you wait until now to tell me?
I don't know, I forgot. I'm sorry. I thought you'd be understanding, but I guess not.
What am I supposed to do?
Find a replacement for me.
Logan, what? Yes. Let me just go on Craigslist. Be like, hey, whoever watches my videos, here's your chance to replace Logan Walker.
It's actually not a bad idea.
Do you actually think that would work?
Yeah, I don't see why not.
You're right. I mean, at this point, I really don't have anything to lose, do I?
No.
So, let's get started. Alright, so, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Bailey Curtis, and I'm here to try out as Logan's replacement. Sorry, I'm a little nervous.
So, what makes you think that you'll be a good replacement for Logan?
Well, okay, I can do.
Boo!
I can do this thing called the goose, and it takes a lot of talent. So, all right, let me do it.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
Yeah. There it is. So when do I sign up?
I'll give you a call. Don't call me, but I'll call you.
Is this a no?
The door's
Is this a no? I'm bad with this.
It's okay. It's not for everybody.
Hi, what was your name again?
Marnell.
Okay, Barnell, what makes you think that you can replace me? Like, what can you do? What are your talents? What are you eating? Dear, I didn't even know you eat pine cones.
I didn't either.
I do.
Well, keep chewing it up.
I am.
So, what's your name?
Dom.
What's up, Dom?
Nothing much. I'm wondering what this is. It's like some sort of porno audition or something?
Depends. What can you do?
Well, first, I can name all the Pokemon in order.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, Venusaur, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Caterpie, Metapod.
Hey, bud. Before you get
Oh,
too
yeah,
far
sorry.
ahead,
What's up?
you know Logan doesn't know any of the.
Yeah, I do.
It sounds blasphemous. What do you mean? What do
I
you
know so many Pokemon.
Logan, you. Oh my God.
What? I have the left arm and head of Exodia in my basement.
Get out.
What? Aren't
Get
you-
out.
Oh.
That's Yu-Gi-Oh!
They're basically the same thing. Whatever. They should really make like a Yu-Gi-Oh go. I feel like that would be.
Get out!
Man, lack of knowledge right there.
Dom, is there anything else that you can do that would like possibly qualify you for this?
Well, other than some corny jokes, not really.
I don't need any more corniness in my life, so I'm gonna have to say no.
You look like a Geodude anyway, boy! With your rat-a-tat hair. Having this.
Logan! I got something for you, buddy boy.
Is it food?
Sure is.
I haven't eaten in 3 days.
I know. Need some help?
I think I got it.
I think you need some help. This is what happens when you try to leave your best friend.
Darius, I'm going for college. It's not just because I don't.
You're not going for college anymore. You're staying here to make skits with me.
Darius, I'm being honest with you. I'm not gonna make any money off this sketch. I've only got like over a little bit, like about 100 subscribers, I think.
It ain't about the money.